Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change main account on PS5. It's pretty easy. All you need to do, simply select settings at the top, then go to users and accounts. Right here you need to go to the option login settings, and here you need to make sure that this option login to PS5 automatically should be turned off. And once you're sure about this, get back from this. Okay, and now you need to press the PlayStation button, then simply go to the power button. Simply select that and select the option restart PS5. When your PC restarts, you're gonna see window like this. Here we need to press the PlayStation button, then you just gonna see all the accounts which are currently logged in on your device. So just choose the account which you wanna make your main account. In my case, that's this one, so I just need to simply select that. And once you choose it, simply again we need to go to settings, select the option users and accounts, go to the option other, and here you're gonna see the option console sharing and offline play. So this is where you can basically make your account main account. So if you see option like enable, make sure to enable that. Right now there is no option enable in my case, it means that we are good to go. But if you see enable, make sure to enable. So this is exactly how you'll able to make your account a main account in PS5. You can also go for restore licenses and restore licenses at once. So it is that easy. That's exactly how you'll able to make your account a main account in PS5. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.